In a surprising shift, the United States joined Russia and 16 other nations in voting against a UN resolution supporting Ukraine's territorial integrity on Monday. While a majority of UN member states backed the resolution, the United States opposed it, advocating for its own version that avoided blaming Russia for the war or recognizing Kyiv's borders. This marked a significant departure for former President Joe Biden's administration, which strongly supported Ukraine at previous UN votes. Titled Advancing a Comprehensive, Just and Lasting Peace in Ukraine, the resolution, drafted by Ukraine and European nations, received 93 votes in favor, 18 against, and 65 abstentions. It reaffirmed the UN Assembly's commitment to the sovereignty, independence, unity, and territorial integrity of Ukraine. However, compared to past resolutions, support for Ukraine had visibly declined. India abstained from the vote on the draft resolution that called for de-escalation, an early cessation of hostilities, and a peaceful resolution to the war. The US had proposed a rival resolution calling for a swift end to the Ukraine conflict but deliberately omitted references to Kyiv's territorial integrity. However, this resolution failed to gain traction among UN General Assembly members. The Assembly heavily amended it, leading Washington to abstain when the revised text was put to a vote. Russian ambassador to the UN, Vasily Nebenzia, welcomed the US draft before it was amended, calling it a step in the right direction and attributing it to a shift in the US foreign policy under President Donald Trump. He criticized Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, claiming he was not at all interested in having peace in his country because he is clinging to power. Trump's return to the White House has led to a major shift in diplomatic relations, with his administration pursuing closer ties with Moscow while taking a more critical stance on Kyiv. To make sure that this initiative is fully in line with understandings arrived at during the Russia and American contacts at highest levels, we introduced an amendment about the need to eliminate the root causes of Ukrainian crisis, Nebenzia told the Assembly, referencing Trump's previous statements on the war. The UN Security Council was also set to vote on the US resolution later on Monday. However, France, along with European allies and Britain, proposed amendments reaffirming Ukraine's territorial integrity and explicitly stating that Russia was responsible for the full-scale invasion, elements that were notably absent from the original US text. This move underscored growing divisions between Washington and its traditional European allies regarding the Ukrainian conflict.